Hi, today we are going to learn about valency. The combining power of an element, especially as measured by the number of hydrogen atoms it can displace or combine with. Concept of valency. Why do atoms form bonds? Because atoms are always there in a constant struggle to reach the stable state. One shell and two electrons. If atoms have only one shell, then the stable state is achieved when two electrons are present in it. Two more shells. And if the atom has two or more than two shells, then the stable state is achieved when the outermost shell contains 8 electrons. It is called an octet state, but the stable state is seen only in case of a few elements. Helium. Helium's electronic configuration is 2. Neon. Neon's electronic configuration is 2 and 8. Argon. Argon's electrical configuration is 2, 8 and 8. We know that elements like helium, neon, argon have atoms with such desired electronic configuration. But what about the case of atoms which do not have this octet? They will participate in bond formation. That means they will either give or take or share electrons. Participation of electrons in the bond formation. Combining capacity of an element. How much can an atom bond with another atom? How many electrons can be given or taken or even shared? The capacity of an atom to give an electrons, accept electrons or even share them in order to achieve the octet state can be termed as its valency. How many elements with just one shell? Trading of electrons is carried out for attaining two electrons in the outermost and only orbit in such atoms. Hydrogen. We have just one electron in the outermost shell. Here we can add some who one more electrons to the outermost shell. We find here that the valency of hydrogen is 1 as it accepts or sometimes even shares electrons with atoms of other elements. Valency of oxygen. The electronic configuration of oxygen is 2 and 6. That means it has 6 electrons in the outermost shell. So how many electrons are needed to complete the octet? 2 electrons. Thus the valency of oxygen is 2. It accepts or takes 2 electrons from one atom for completing the octet. Valency of magnesium. Magnesium has 12 electrons, 2, 8, 2. For the outermost shell, we need 6 more elements. Here, gain of 6 electrons is difficult, but giving or donating the 2 electrons easy way, magnesium gives away 2 electrons from its outermost shell. We say that the valency of magnesium is 2. That means it's not only about how many electrons can be taken but also about how many electrons can be given by the atom. Ionic bonds. Ion is an atom of group of atoms that have an electric charge. Atoms become charged when they lose or gain electrons to become stable. Electrons to become stable. Atoms which lose electrons becomes positive. Atom which gain electrons becomes negative. Sodium has one valency electron. Chlorine has 7 electrons. An electron transferred gives each an octet. Chemical forces which hold atoms together and form complete electron shells. Atoms of electrons to reach the stable octet number. Bond formation. Hydrogen atoms. Electrons attracted by each other's proton. Covalent bonded hydrogen molecule H2. This is how a bond is formed. There are many types of chemical bonds and forces that bind molecules together. The two most basic types of bonds are characterized as neither ionic or covalent.